Welcome to Maptive. In this video, we're going to talk about grouping your markers. This is changing the colors of your markers based on a column in your data and the groups within that column. You can get to the grouping tool by clicking on the toolbox here on the top left corner of the map itself. The toolbox opens up to the grouping tool. You can click the pull down, which gives us every column in our data. This, of course, is every column in my data, so yours will look different. You can group by any column in that data that makes sense to group by. So address doesn't really make sense to group by, but you can group by state or salesperson or even sales. I'm going to choose salesperson for my example here. This groups my markers in different colors based on the salesperson that covers those groups. You have the ability to customize each group's markers as well just by clicking on this gray marker to the right of each group. You can filter the map just as you would with any filter type tool. So if you just wanted to see all of Giovanni's markers, you can simply do that. You do have the ability to do two-column double grouping. This adds a secondary group to the markers. This, again, will give you the pull down showing all the different columns in your data, and I'm going to choose sales for this one. This will group my sales in this way. That's what those little halos are now, and you can customize those as well. You also have the ability to switch this over to numeric since I am doing numeric value, and that's going to switch it to these different size bubbles. You can go into group settings to set those numeric values, to change the number of groups, or even change from the blue bubble markers to multicolor bubble markers. To remove the secondary grouping, all you would need to do is uncheck this box. And to remove the initial grouping, you would simply go to the pull down again, choose Don't Group, and then your map will go back to the original markers where it all began. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Maptive. Thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.